Welcome to Cloud and You. Hey there! I never thought I'd be comparing software development to cooking, but here we are. Imagine a gourmet kitchen preparing 100 meals a night. It's absolute chaos. Chefs running around, pots clanging, orders being yelled. Now, let's say the chefs don't know the recipe, ingredients are missing, and oh boy, the waiter just served raw chicken. Yikes. That's basically what developing without proper tools looks like. But wait, there's more! Enter Azure Pipelines, your Michelin-star kitchen assistant. It's like having a super smart, never-tired sous chef that makes sure every dish, app, follows the exact steps every single time. No more uncooked dish incidents, if you know what I mean. Speaking of which, Azure Pipelines is basically Microsoft's automation engine for developers. It builds, tests, and deploys your code. Just like a kitchen that preps, cooks, and serves food consistently. You've got your continuous integration, which is like your meal prep station. Every time a developer sends code, Azure builds it fresh and checks for bugs before it spoils the main course. No one likes a buggy app, right? Then there's continuous delivery. This means your app is ready to serve, hot, fresh, and beautifully plated whenever the user rings the bell. In your Azure kitchen, you can add all sorts of cool tools. You've got Python, which is like your chopping knife. Azure Repos is your pantry, keeping all your ingredients, code, organized. Azure Test Plans, that's your tasting spoon with which you taste your food or test your apps. And Azure Artifacts are like your pre-made and stored sauce bottles and herbs mix, adding that extra flavor to your food without the hassle of making them again and again. And you know what's crazy? All of this magic is controlled by a single recipe, written in YAML. It's like the world's most precise cookbook, but for code. So, whether you're shipping code or cooking for 100, Azure Pipelines makes sure you serve it right, every time. It's like having a master chef in your DevOps kitchen. And speaking of which, if you want to learn more about this stuff, stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. Let's YAML, baby!